Knowledge 5. In a narration found in Sunan ibn Majah, number 219, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that learning one verse of the Holy Quran is better than offering 100 cycles of voluntary prayer. And learning a topic of Islamic knowledge, even if one does not act on it, is better than offering 1,000 cycles of voluntary prayer. Learning a verse includes studying and, more importantly, practically implementing its teachings in one's life. And it is important to note, a Muslim will only gain this reward when they sincerely strive to act on the topic of knowledge they have learned, and practically implement it when the opportunity presents itself. Only when one does not gain the opportunity to act on their topic of Islamic knowledge will they gain the reward of offering 1,000 cycles of prayer, even if they do not actually act on it. This is because Allah, the Exalted, judges and rewards people based on their intention, and will therefore grant reward to those who would sincerely act when given the opportunity. This is confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 1. Finally, as indicated by the main narration under discussion, gaining and acting on knowledge is far superior to voluntary worship. This is because the majority of Muslims do not understand the Arabic language and are therefore less likely to improve their behavior and obedience to Allah, the Exalted, in a positive way, as they do not understand the language they use to worship Allah, the Exalted. Whereas, learning and acting on knowledge is much more likely to inspire one to change for the better. This is the reason why some Muslims spend decades performing voluntary worship yet do not improve their behavior towards Allah, the Exalted, or people in the slightest. This by far is not the best course of action. In addition, one cannot worship nor obey Allah, the Exalted, in their daily activities, nor fulfill the rights of people correctly without knowledge. The ignorant person will commit sins without realizing it, as they are not aware what actions are considered sins. An ignorant person often fails to perform good deeds with their full conditions and etiquettes, so their many acts of voluntary worship will be deficient. Whereas, the knowledgeable may perform less good deeds, but they will perform them correctly, thereby gaining more reward than the ignorant worshipper. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.